We are living in a world with growing polarization. Pictures of war and peace are in constant movement. And we humans often don't know how to relate to all of it. My big questions are, in a world filled with chaos and fear, can trauma serve as a bridge to peace? What if our darkest experiences could open portals to higher levels of consciousness? Out of very practical journeys with traumatized people, I can say, yes, it's possible. We call this ability to grow through trauma post-traumatic growth. Trauma can bridge and bring us to higher states of consciousness. Let's unite in our shared experiences and let's work together towards peace. Like, subscribe and share your personal message after our journey in the comments. Together we can create a world where peace can flourish. At the end of this movie you can find 3 exercises you can do on a daily basis to expand your inner peace for the world. You matter. Since 20 years, I see Peter Levine as one of my biggest heroes in time of human history. As a pioneer in trauma recovery, he believes that trauma is not just a burden, but an opportunity for transformation. By acknowledging our pain, we can unlock spiritual experiences that connect us to our higher self. I saw these transformations happening on a daily basis in my practice. I'm touched that Peter found words of explanation to understand how wise our bodies can integrate trauma and grow beyond. Trauma not only disconnects us from the world, it can also unite it. When you experience trauma, you can say, I can see your pain because I went through it myself. It is a shared experience that can either isolate us or bring us together. Often we live our lives through a filter which can distort our perception of reality, and on the other side, it can open up compassion and love for others. So, trauma can be transformative. Integrating our shadows through compassion, we must approach our trauma slowly, allowing it to surface in a safe space. Together we can support each other in this healing journey. I offer this kind of seminars since 40 years, and I could fill up books about healing stories, which are very touching. I would love to call you for action. Join whatever group is speaking to you in this collective healing process. We can all move towards peace. There are so many of us out there to support each other's journey. Go for it. You do the necessary steps towards peace. On a daily basis, I live the vision of a peaceful future in our South African community. Imagine a world where we embrace our traumas and support one another. When we integrate our shadows and in the here and now, living in peace is not just a dream, but a reality. Together we can choose peace. Love is all around us, and sometimes we just forget. Let's remind each other. Now I show you 3 self-helping experiences you can invite for a better world. The first one, stand barefoot in nature and breathe in and out consciously. Find your own rhythm. Receive love and gratitude from the earth by breathing in, and let go everything by breathing out. Find the present moment with an open heart. See, smell, listen, touch and move. The second practice, letting go control in a controlled way by moving softly and gently your body. Deepen resources of yours and just move and express whatever is there. Move freely without internal judgment and feel the connection to yourself. The third exercise, smile into a mirror and say encouraging things to yourself. For example, I love you the way you are. Or you are allowed to fully feel and express your potential. If you would like to have one of my favorite exercises, still stay and bring your curiosity with. I love, for example, to spend lots of smiles to people around me. The biggest uplifting power is to smile to each other and connect through the sparks of this silent meeting point. And you can always come back to this movie to feel the support going for this kind of action. Sometimes it's difficult to do it alone, so feel welcome. Thank you for listening, and please write in the comments what helped you the most to crawl out of your trauma. We are interested to read your story because you matter.